Good morning, students. In this video, we will be discussing about a poem Trees, which is written by Joyce Kilmer. The poet of this poem, Joyce Kilmer, has beautifully defined trees in this poem. As per the poet, trees are the most beautiful thing on this earth. He had shown the beauty of trees, nature of trees in this poem. As per the poet, according to the poet, trees are the only thing which a human being cannot make. This is the only thing which God can create. According to the poet, trees are the lifeline of the earth as well as of the human beings. We all know that trees play an important role in environment. Let's read and recite this beautiful poem on trees. I think that I shall never see a poem lovely as a tree. Here, the poet Joyce Kilmer is saying that I think that I shall never see. मैं सोचता हूँ कि मैं कभी नहीं देख सकता अ पोएम लवली एज ट्री, कोई भी ऐसी पोएम जो ट्री से ज़्यादा सुंदर हो. अ ट्री वॉज हंग्री माउथ इज प्रेस्ड अगेंस्ट द अर्थ स्वीट फ्लोइंग ब्रेस्ट. एक ट्री जिसका हंग्री माउथ जो है against the earth's sweat flowing breast. So here we all know that a tree hunger is filled by, satisfied by the ground only. We all know that trees need water and sunlight to nourish itself. Here, read the line again. A tree whose hungry mouth is pressed against the earth's sweat flowing breast. It means the roots of the trees, which help trees to nourish itself. From where trees got the water? From the ground, and roots are also in the ground. So, roots help the flow of water to nourish the tree. Let's read the next line. A tree that looks at God all day and lifts her leafy arm to pray. Here in these lines, what the poet has said, that a tree that looks like at God all day. As we all know that trees moves upward only when it grows. It goes upward only. वो ऊपर ही जाता है, कभी नीचे तो नहीं आता. तो क्योंकि वो ऊपर जाता है तो पोएट ने इसे कंपेयर किया है दैट ट्री इज लुकिंग एट द गॉड ऑल डे. वो हमेशा भगवान की तरफ ही देखता रहता है और ऊंचा इसलिए जाता है ताकि वो वहाँ तक पहुँच सके. एंड लिफ्ट्स हर लीफी आर्म्स टू प्रे. what are the meaning of leafy arms here? What is the mean? Leafy arm is branches of tree. And lifts her leafy arms, और अपनी leafy arms को branches पर leaves होते हैं तो उन्हें प्रे में हाथ जोड़कर भगवान की शरण में नमन करता रहता है. A tree that looks at God all day and lifts her leafy arms to pray. हमेशा भगवान की तरफ देखता रहता है और लिफ्ट करता है अपनी आर्म्स को प्रे करने के लिए. नेक्स्ट इज अ ट्री हु मे इन समर वियर a nest of robin in her hair. Now the poet has described different seasons. Here, first of all, he described about the summer season. What does tree do in summer season? Tree gives us shade, fruits and many other things to satisfy our necessities. Likewise, trees give its branches for the birds for the other creatures so that they can make their homes on the trees. So here the poet had said that a tree who may in summer wear, समर में जो ट्री है वो कैसे होते हैं, उनकी ब्रांचेस पत्तों से भर जाती हैं, वो शेड देते हैं, आराम देते हैं हम सबको, साथ ही साथ अ नेस्ट ऑफ रॉबिन्स इन हर हेयर. वट इज़ अ रोबिन? रोबिन इज़ अ स्मॉल बर्ड. रोबिन एक स्मॉल बर्ड है, उन्हें भी ब्रांचेस देते हैं अपनी, ताकि वो अपना घर बना सके. A tree who may in summer wear a nest of robin in her hair. We have done that. Upon whose bosom snow has lain and intimately lives with rain. Now, it is the poet has said about the winter season. How would you feel if you are standing in a snow? For some time you will enjoy it. थोड़े समय के लिए तो आप enjoy करेंगे, but then you will be chilled. आप बिल्कुल ठंडे हो जाएंगे, आपके हाथ पैर जो हैं बिल्कुल ठंडे हो जाएंगे. But ट्रीज़ जो हैं वो वहीं पर खड़े रहते हैं, वो इन सब चीज़ों को सहन करते हैं. अपॉन वोज बोसम स्नो हैज़ लेन, जो स्नो है उनके ऊपर गिरती है, फिर भी वो वहीं पर खड़े रहते हैं बिना कुछ कहे. एंड इंटीमेटली लाइव्स विद रेन, और जब समर सीज़न विंटर सीज़न के बाद रेन आती है, जब उनके पत्तों पर से वो जो स्नो है वो दूर हो जाती है, जो रेन है आती है उनको दोबारा लाइफ देने के लिए, उनको नरिश करने के लिए, उनकी जो हंगर है, उनके जो थर्स्ट है उसे बुझाने के लिए. So here the poet had said about the summer season where robin make nest on the trees, and winter season where trees stand up there with the snow on their head, and then about the rainy season where trees are nourished by the water of rain. Poems are made by fools like me, but only God can make a tree. Now, in these lines, what the poet had said, that poems are made by fools like me. Poems तो मेरे जैसा कोई फूल ही बना सकता है, but only God can make a tree. लेकिन सिर्फ God है जो trees को बना सकता है. We as human beings, what we can do? हम क्या कर सकते हैं? We just plant the trees. हम सिर्फ plant कर सकते हैं trees को, but it is only the God who can nourish the tree, who can give its blessing to the tree so that it could grow more and more. ये सिर्फ गॉड ही है जो इतनी सुंदर चीज़ को, इतनी ब्यूटीफुल चीज़ को बना सकता है, नरिश कर सकता है और पैदा कर सकता है, ताकि हम सब पूरे जो वर्ल्ड है वो इसका फ़ायदा ले सके. ओनली द गॉड कैन मेक अ ट्री. So this is the poem written by Joyce Kilmer. I hope you all have enjoyed and understood the meaning of trees. Thank you. Have a good day.